I'm trying to buff the wind. Jedi's bringing a shirt. Yeah, put it in the bag. Put it in that bag. The tide went back out. It is super windy today, but they don't care. They love it. Look at them. Just stay at your ankles. JoJo's right here. Hi, you getting blown away? Getting blown away. We'll put them in the netted bag, I guess. Josie's sandcastles. Come here, babe. Look at the sandcastles. Look at them. All the different sizes. You like your sandcastles? She's digging some more. Do that big one. There you go. Everybody's still having fun and the sun is out. Hello, Mr. Sun. Am I filming you? I don't know. I can't tell. Yeah, you're right there somewhere. You're there. You're there. It's hard to block the wind. Dad's got all of them. Except for Josie. Whitaker. My cuties. They're excited. We're going to the zoo today. Yay! Today is like one of the days it's supposed to be less rainy because it's been very, very, very rainy. But we've enjoyed it because it's been off and on rain, overcast, but we've had a ton of fun at the beach. But yeah, we're going over the bridge. I see it. It's awesome. It's a beautiful bridge. Look at those dark skies right over there. And you can see out the naval area, naval base, all that kind of fun stuff. Bridge is very high. It's an absolutely beautiful bridge. I love it. Bridge. It is high. We are up really, really high. Barge. Lots of them. Isn't that awesome? It's the cables. Yep. It's a beautiful bridge. It's so cool. You saw a game. You saw a game. This game.
The dragon game.
A dragon game.
Yeah,
I like that. Oh, dragon destroys bridges. Well, hopefully he doesn't destroy this bridge. Did you see the boat, Josie?
That barge out of the water.
Big, giant barge. Oh, I can't feel it. I'm having a hard time. Cool. My window's nasty. Quack. I know. There's a little waddle. A little waddle. Oh, I'm watching into the bushes and I got water on my head. I get water on my head.
Watch for poop.
Dad's just like, watch for poop.
Hey.
Don't step into poop.
Don't step in the poop.
Oh, it's got a fish. You're absolutely right.
Wow.
Nom nums.
It's a train of some sort.
Nom. Got another one. He's just chowing down on them fish.
Oh, well, there's a bowl of fish there.
Yeah. Ooh, yummy. Stinky out here. No, they probably won't want you to touch. Just walk carefully. Oh, did a ticket fall? Is that our ticket?
Yeah.
You looking at that? Like, is that a termite?
Yeah, they were right here. Where'd they go?
They're in there. My phone. It probably came out when I took my phone out. Let's go. Look at how cute they are. Yeah, there's poop. There is poop. Just don't step on it.
Step in poop.
Look at them up on the top. Hi guys. We're not going to touch you.
I'm not going to pick
We're not
anybody
going to touch you. Woo! And then they go. So, well, he's not. He's like, I'm just going to walk. I don't want to fly. Hello, Rhino. He looks so tired.
Here goes the ostrich.
I'm so tired. I'm gonna lay down even more. Oh, it's hot. Just snow. Oh, there's 3 of them. Sorry to see you over there. The other one, his butt's hiding.
Ostriches are part bird, part giraffe.
Part bird, part giraffe. Where is the ostrich? Oh, it's walking away. There's the ostrich.
Are those antelopes?
No, they're called kudu.
There's wee little babies in that nest. I see you, little babies. See? Oh, I gotta hold still. Oh, they're fighting. Stop fighting. She's just like, I've got to clean my feathers. These kids just try to get a bath and they'll have to fight all the time. We spotted us a gator. I see you with a gator. Can't fool me, I spied you a mile away.
There's a turtle out in the middle.
Yeah, there's a turtle out there. Let's see if I can find it. Dun, 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 da-da, ta-ta. I see you, Tata. Okay, I must film this guy.
Let's step back.
It's amazing.
Tell you how big he is. That's not zoomed
Oh
in.
my goodness. Here, let's come around this side.
Okay.
Look at Marty. There's Marty's hand compared to him. That's how big he is.
He's
That's
huge.
actually amazing.
He is huge.
Hi.
Actually, I'm gonna.
Look at that's
I'm
a
gonna tell
female.
you, it's a she.
She's got babies.
I
You're
bet
a
you.
girl.
I bet you.
Oh, so pretty though. Man, I want a chameleon.
They make out. Well, they do, but they don't.
Sometimes they do. Sometimes you do hear them actually make their sound.
Yeah, not the way that they're.
I like how they flap their ears. Aww.
Well, duh. What was Dumbo? Elephant.
Long chunk. Where are you going? Where you going? Where's it going? It's walking out here. Hi! Come here, guys. It's coming over here.
Look, the elephant guy.
Oh. Walk like an elephant.
Josie.
Oh, look at it. It's coming over this way. Okay, I'll pick you up. Aww.
Yeah.
It's carrying on something fierce. What are y'all carrying on about over here? What do you want? You calling out for your freedom?
I want food.
I want food.
I want food.
Feed me.
I want food.
Feed me. Feed me. Feed me.
Oh.
Are there bats in here? They're supposed to be.
Looks like there's bats right there.
Oh, I can't really see them, not with the camera, but they're in there. They're hiding inside of there, hanging upside down. Do you mind? Do you mind? For real. You're being noisy. Noisy?
Are you gonna peck him? He's not interested in pecking him.
My goodness. Anyways, there's bats. Years ago, it was me pitter-pattering. And here I am with my little one pitter-pattering. And there's all my udders. My udder babies, my treasures. I love them. I love you guys so much. Come on, let's go. There's nothing down there. Maybe some turtles or frogs. Let's go up here. Let's go see the monkeys. My lens needs to be cleaned. There's a sign that says, shh, newborns nearby. And there is a newborn, if I can get it to focus through the fence. I don't know. Hold on. There's a baby.
Come on.
Josie, don't pull on me, babe. I finally got it to focus, and now he's like hiding somewhere else. Come on, little one. Let me see that cutesy face. Aww. There you are. Are you nursing? Oh, look at the baby. Oh, little baby. Do you know what these are called?
Lemurs.
Lemurs, you're right.
They're acting
Look at
like
this one. Look at this one climbing on the
acting
fence.
like a cat. That one's acting like a cat.
Cleaning himself. Josie, come here. Look at the lemurs. Well, they are monkeys. They're lemur monkeys. That one's grooming. That one's grooming. That one's just chilling. And these two are coming up. What you coming up here for? Hi. Whoop, sorry, what?
They're not playing.
Oh, those are leopards. We're getting all National Geographic over here. We're gonna give them privacy. Dad. There might be some baby leopards in the future. Who knows? You see it? I definitely saw it too.
Well, he was quick.
I guess that was, you know, get the job done. Look at her. She's like, okay. Oh, she does look like it's just a big giant cat. Isn't that what Stash does? Or not Stash. I said Stash. Oh, Trixie. And Trixie's being all playful.
That's what the
I wish Mom would do that.
You wish I would do that? What, roll on the ground like a cat? Look like an idiot? I wanted to film. There's a giraffe calf and its name is Jojo. I wonder if that's Jojo. Which one's Jojo? Are
Probably
you
that one.
Jojo?
Probably the one closest to the mama. They're both kind of small.
I know, that's why I didn't know who was Jojo.
So actually, it might be the one laying down.
One of them is Jojo.
Probably
Aww. So cute. That one's just like, feed me, feed me, feed me. Get him out. Yum, 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 yum. Look at how tall it is. Down, 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 down. Fun. This is new. Look at this massive tree. I can't wait to get over there and see what they're building it for. That's awesome. So there's a giant tree that they're making. That's so amazing. They're turning it into the African forest, a new home for our great apes.
No.
So it's going to be a new home for all of the apes. That is awesome. So they have the tree and everything. Very cool. So this is coming this year, so they're finishing it up. Wow! Species appropriate, higher quality of life. Gorillas in the mist. That's awesome. Let's see if I can find a clear spot. Okay. The only sight of the jaguar we have is that.
Can't even see it.
It's hot. It's like panting, mouth open.
No, it's not that hot.
No, it's not that hot. It's a little humid though, but. Oh, maybe it was yawning. No, it's panting. Alright, wait, I'll show you. Yawn. Jaguar. There's a jaguar. Snoozing. Look at its little sandy bed it's got. Stop tapping
Probably
on the
nice
glass.
and cool.
Yep, nice and cool.
Alright, come on.
We're inside. I love this place. I think it's really cool on the inside. You feel like you're inside of an old lost temple, like in Indiana Jones. You gotta watch out for the booby traps. Don't set off the poisonous darts and arrows. That's how I feel. I love it. Dun, dun, dun. There's a snaky in there.
See that ring?
Cool. Tripping over stuff. There's poisonous frogs over here. I see one blue one.
Ooh, it's a
A blue one on the rock.
Yeah, poison dart frog.
Poison dart frog.
There's a green one right
It's
there.
not gonna focus.
There's
Of course
two
it's
green
not.
ones right here by the.
Josie, say it again, Josie. Oh my what? You see a green one?
Yeah.
Oh, I see the green ones. Look. Well, now, what did you say before? You said, "Oh my what?" What'd you say? Oh my goodness. Let me hear you say it. Let me hear you say, "Oh my goodness."
Oh my goodness.
She usually says, "Oh my gushin." There's the sloth. The slothy just hanging out. I can't even see its face because it's turned around. There's cute little monkey, little tamarind monkey with the crazy hair. Looks like it's gonna jump on that sloth.
Alright, over here there's a monkey.
I wish I could see the sloth's face, but not gonna be able to. I'm waiting for that tamarind to jump up there. It legit. There it goes. Hey, looking at the sloth. Look, the sloth is like, what was that? Do you like the monkey?
Yeah.
Is it cute?
Yeah.
She was like, Mommy, I see a
I
monkey.
want a picture.
Oh, you want a picture with the monkey?
Yeah.
Okay, let me film the monkey first. I'm gonna zoom in so I can see the little monkey. There's a there's a little squirrel monkey. Oh, where'd it go? Oh, it crawled away. Okay, I'll take your picture. Let me get your picture, okay? Look at Mommy. What color are the flamingos? Pink. They pink?
Pink and red.
Pink flamingos. Hi, flamingo. It's an Australian tree fern. I love the way it looks because it does look like a palm and a fern combined. They are super cute.
It works like a fern.
This is
grows.
like a fern.
No,
But yeah,
I'm sorry,
I know. Up there, yeah.
It works. It's a fern.
It
but
grows like a
There you
palm, but
go.
it works like a fern.
That's what I was trying to get. Well, look at this
I
one.
like it. It's super cute. Oh yeah, I can see the curls, like the fern. It's like the base is palm and the way it grows out is palmish, but the way they actually grow individually is very fern-like. I love it!
What is this?
Australia. Cool. I'm gonna film a couple of them so you'll be able to see it when we get home. The colors are pretty. You hear how noisy they are? Look at that one with the orange. Pretty. Oh, there's lots of poop, I know. Just watch out, don't let it poop on your head. I don't know if these do, did I? So they do have the butterfly? Is it open?
Huh?
Look at them, they look great in that circle. It's raining on us. Is it open? Do we want to go? I guess we'll just go through here. This is just a garden.
Dragons.
Oh yeah, that's right. There are some Komodo dragons. I forgot that. Komodo dragon. He's checking out all these yummy children.
Which one do I
She keeps
want?
saying it's a snake. It's not. It's basically a big giant lizard.
Yes, it
He
will.
would. He probably would attack you and.
What happens is his mouth is so dirty. He's got a fungus, a fungus that'll kill you if he bites you.
What is that
Because
stuff
his
on
mouth
the
is
side of-
so dirty.
It's the kid's Komodo cubby if you go hide in there and look at the Komodo dragons. And there's the other one on the rock. Let me see the one on the rock. I gotta swap out batteries. The camera's dying.
Look,
Look at this guy.
the front looks like a hippopotamus.
His front looks like a hippo. Sort of, kind of does.
They're like snakes. They put their tongues out. Their tongues are forked. And their tongues are forked so that they can tell what direction their bait is.
Look.
They taste the air and they smell the air with their tongues.
You smell it?
Yep.
Yep, they do.
And again, the reason why it's forked,
Taste it.
Jedediah, the reason why the tongues are forked,
Split
just
like this.
snakes,
Yeah.
it's slit so that it can taste the air and say, okay, I need to go this direction.
I need to go right or
I
left.
need to go left. Middle.
Those things are weird. Look at his weirdo tusks. Like those. It's tusks.
There's a female.
Craziness.
There's a female. With no tusks.
Well, I don't know. It's got tusks. Just itty bitty ones. But that one. You are funky looking, man.
Are
Come on,
you
Debbie.
tough?
You coming over here for, huh?
Are you
Huh?
strong?
Oh, you
Get
strong?
people?
Can you get people?
Too.
Oh, look at the little otters.
Hey, what is that?
They're so cute.
Thing.
We've
Don't
got
get out of the
others.
water. Come here, little otter. They just got out of the water. You punks. Well, come over here and you leave.
See all the fish.
There they are. Here it comes, Josie. See if they come back this way again.
But look at what is that?
Go back in the water.
What's that blue floaty thing?
It's something for them to float on and play on.
Where'd it go?
Where'd it go? They went over there.
I want to go to the.
Well, I got to see them for a little bit. They got out of the water because they went over there to go poop and pee. So this is all new to me as well. All of this area. Tiger viewing. So the tigers can walk all among this path and stuff above the people. I don't think I'd like that. He'd pee on you if it got frisky. just gonna pee on you people. There's the tigers. I see a big tiger inside the fence over there.
Yeah.
So he's inside that pathway. Because you see it's got arches. They probably get bored, and so they do want to roam.
Well, you see that they roam up top.
I know. I saw. And I was thinking they'd pee on you. Okay, so we were like, oh, the doors are shut. Maybe they've locked them up, you know? And so we were just going to continue on. And I was like, wait a second. And Marty's like, wait a second. So we walked up, and oh my goodness. This is so new to me. This is not, but I haven't been here in like 5 years, so. Oh, I'm running out of time. I'm going to have to stop and delete some stuff. It's amazing. All right, I had to delete a lot of stuff because I ran out of space. It was playing on its back. Let me zoom in on it. Wait for it. Oh, it's pretty, tiger. Oh, where's it going? I bet they're hungry and they are ready for feeding time. That's why they're pacing over there, because they get let through over there.
Not like doing this.
Yeah, it's hungry. That's why it's pacing. It's like so ready for dinner time. It is ready for dinner. See? Oh, look at the little cub. Cute. Water in your ear from the rain?
All right, guys.
From the ocean? Is it still?
Come on. It'll eat you.
Josie said the alligators were cute.
It'll eat you.
They're a little bit more, no, I wouldn't say friendly, but they're less aggressive than a crocodile. But look at that one over there with all the algae all over its back. It must have just gotten out of the water.
I think that's algae.
What do you think? It's like little tiny baby lily pads or something?
Yeah, like we have in the aquarium.
Oh, like those little plants that are in. Yep. That's what all this is. That's what it looks like.
Look at him open his mouth, guys. He's doing it just for you.
He's like, see my mouth? Do you see how big that is?
He's yawning just for you.
Yeah, I am. Look how black their eyes are. So creepy.
Alright.
Oh, you want me to hold you up? Ooh, 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 I lost it. Hold on.
No,
Hold on. Get back. Okay. I'm looking into your soul. Look at me! America! Eagles. They are beautiful. I have to say, I love the bald eagle. It's like, what was that?
Although that one looks like it's molting.
It probably is.
What is molting?
Molting? Molting means it loses all its feathers. Eagles throw
Whitaker, hold on.
When they hit 50 years old.
Whoa, what's he
they
doing?
take off all of their feathers. Actually, he's missing half of his wings.
Yeah.
That's what it is. So he's an injured bald eagle.
Oh. Well, they do rehabilitate.
Yeah.
And stuff.
So he's missing half of his wings.
There's
That's
dead
what I'm seeing.
dead rats. Dead rats in the water. Dead rats on the ground with flies and maggots. And but good food for them. Good food for y'all. Okay, moving on. Yes, I like you. You look awesome.
You can tell by
There's
the way the
manatees.
water's moving.
My cart's fallen. I see the back end of
I
its.
got it.
I see the back end of its tail. If it comes closer, that'd be great. You can kind of see it.
Oh, look down there. You need to clean the glass.
I don't know if I can see it from here. There's another one down there at the bottom.
Get up. See it?
Whoa! Can barely see it. I can't see it on the camera, but at least we can see it.
And that's as close as you're gonna get. Go look.
Cool.
Go look. See them in the middle of the
Bears,
woods.
bears, they got no cares.
You see that one, Mom?
Bears don't drink from a cup. Inside? The big one? No. Well, I wish I could see this one without Jedi's shirt reflection. Where are you going? Your butt's like all black. Look at that. That's cool. It's brown and it's got black. Are the cubs brown and then the grown-ups
No,
grow?
Mama, it's probably the type of year.
That's so neat.
Changing coats.
Changing coats
Well,
out.
look how big Mama is.
I know.
That's
I don't want to come up against her.
300-pound bear. And that would be some good eating.
Her claws would be.
From what I understand, bear is very tasty.
I don't want to eat a bear. Look what they've done to the tree. My goodness.
That's it.
Is that the panther?
Yep.
Oh my
Why is it meowing?
Oh my goodness, you guys.
Why is it meowing?
It's probably hungry. It's probably like, feed me. Feed me. Feed me.
They want to eat us.
They want to eat you.
Oh, it's coming to us.
Yep.
Wow.
Gotta be very careful in the woods.
Wow.
Now,
Making all
it's
that
saying that,
noise.
see, I can manhandle one of those.
You think so?
Yeah.
Josie's saying meow.
Maybe.
Wow.
Honestly,
You're pretty, yeah,
I
you're,
can manhandle one of our cougars, you know, jaguars, lions, whatever you want to call them.
if you just get your
Mountain
hands and stuff around its feet, but watch the mouth.
It would be, it would actually be a little bit different than that. And a small bear, I could probably take.
A small bear.
A small
Do we want to
bear.
go through here or do we just want to go around?
Well, this is the last.
It
we've
is.
Got 13
Come on,
minutes.
guys. All right, we're done. Goodbye, zoo. We didn't do the dinosaurs. Whew, we are tired. He wants to go to the beach next. Well, we gotta eat some food next. So, we're done. We had fun. I'll miss you, zoo. I'll miss you. Bye. Bye, zoo.